Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to use the appwiz.cpl control panel tool command to uninstall programs and applications on your Windows machine. Okay, so let's start. On your Windows 10 machine, we can search for the appwiz.cpl control panel tool command. Once it is found, we can click on the appwiz.cpl and this will bring up the uninstall or change a program window. On this window, we can just select the application or program we want to uninstall. I hope this short video had helped you somehow. Thank you and have a good day.